Hello people and welcome back to Project Forge UK. I hope you're all staying safe. Today I've got some lockdown jobs I'm going to be doing on the Mitsubishi Evo 6. So let's get on with it. We're going to make the headlights go from this to this. We're going to make the sticker go from this to this. We're going to make the rear badge go from this to this. And we're going to make the front grille go from this to this. We're going to be putting these stickers on. Take this to this. I know I only clay barred the car the other week, but I've drove to Bolton and back. It's covered in bugs. It's been sat on my drive now for a week or two, covered in dust. It's time to give it a clean before I start doing these jobs. It's not ideal cleaning the car with one bucket with no hose pipe, but I've done the best I can. Since you've seen the car last, I've replaced the spark plugs with some NGK spark plugs. I hope that'd solve the issue with it not idling when it was cold, but it's still there. I've got the brand new wheels on as well with centre caps and brand new OZ Racing stickers as well, Oz Racing, whatever you want to call it. The car's also had its MOT done. It's gone straight through with no advisories. Unfortunately, the MOT place missed the fact that the fuel pipe was slightly corroded. That is an advisory, they've missed it, but I'm going to get that replaced anyway. It's been almost 2 years since I restored the headlights. I'm not going to show you how to do it from start to finish. There is a link in the description below to show you a previous video I've done on it, but I'm going to crack on with this now and get the headlights restored. That's stage 1 done. P500 grit sandpaper. Now you move it down to a P800. The scratches are a lot finer now, so it's onto the P3000. Give it a few passes with this. It's still a little bit cloudy there, but the last step is the foam and the rubbing compound. This is the one where the magic happens. That's that job done. I've done a better job of it this time than when I first did it a few years back. I know you can put clear lacquer on them now, but I'm not going to bother. I'm happy to get 2 years out of them and then do it again. That's one job down. The next job on the list is to try and get this front Mitsubishi badge on. I'm hoping I don't have to take the front bumper off. It's quite tight there, but I can take this panel off here and see if I can get my hand down the back. All this will be coming off eventually anyway, because all the grills need replacing, especially that one down there where a pheasant hit it. But for now, we're just going to get this front Mitsubishi badge on. That were easy enough. The panel's off and I should be able to get down there now and get my hand down the back. Got a pretty new badge and a lovely little screw to go with it. Beautiful. Next job is to remove this sticker, which a car wash guy kindly blew off when I got the car. I've got a genuine Mitsubishi one to go on. Luckily it comes with a cut off, so I don't have to mark this out. I can just get the heat gun on this, get it off, get some tar and glue on it, and then get this brand spanker put on it. Let's do it. That's the sticker finally off. It's time to get some tar and glue on it. It's got all these red stripes on it so I don't drink it by mistake. Leave that for a couple of minutes and then it should all just wipe off. We're up to the good part now. Get ready for the grand reveal. How pretty does that look? This is where the Lancer badge is supposed to go. It's been missing since I got the car. Got a brand new, genuine Mitsubishi one now. I'm going to have a quick look on Google and see where it's supposed to actually go. I think it just goes slap bang in the centre, but I'll have a look now, see where it goes. Don't want anyone crying like they do about my Brembo sticker that's upside down on my front caliper. Next job, get this old badge off, clean up behind it. I've never took a badge off before. I'm going to try and get dental floss down the back. I might be able to just pick it off with a screwdriver hopefully. I'm going to use masking tape to put on where the badge lines up to and then slap the new one on. That's as good as I can get it. The new badge is going to cover it anyway, so let's get it slapped on. The last job is to put these bad boys on. I don't know where they usually sit. I think I'm going to put them about there. See how we get on.
Yeah, so you're still pretty much doing the same distance.
Right, well that's today's video done. We've got the headlights looking like brand new. We've got the little Mitsubishi front badge put on. We've got these Evolution stickers, which I know are going to be a love them or hate them. We've got the new rear badge on. We've got the new Evo 6 decal on. We've got the pretty Lancer decal on. And as I described earlier, we've got these stunning new wheels on as well, with the centre caps. This car's looking really nice now. What do you reckon to that, apart from the scratch near the front fog lamp, which is going to get sorted out? Well, that's another video on the Evo 6. Don't forget, people, hit that like button, subscribe, comments down below. What do you think of them side decals I've put on? And I'll see you next time.